I'm going to show you how to tie a Shopify store to the SeussHere platform. After logging into the SeussHere platform, we select the Add My Store menu. Then select Shopify, and the App Store screen will open. Click Install. First, you have to have a Shopify store, and then log into it. I've already logged in, so he jumps right in. Then it asks if you want to install the SeussHere plugin. We select Install and then ask you if you want to bind to your store. Select Bind, and we see that the Shopify store is already bound. Later we can see this shop in My Products. Here you see the store, and you can also sync the products in a store to the platform. You can also import items from the import list into your store. Let's say you want to add this item to your store. Select the item you just added. OK, this item will be added to your store. This item is already in your store. This is how to bind a store to Shopify